No, I have flaws. I do. I'm just like you. I do. I don't accept the idea of salad as a full meal. I don't pluck my nipple hairs. I don't. I'm tired. I don't black out when I drink, so I have to remember everything. I'm not attracted to John Goodman. But I think fake flaws are really funny. Like, we still do this shit in job interviews where we're like, what's your biggest flaw, weakness? As if anyone in the world has ever answered that question honestly. Everyone always just gives these cheese dick answers. They're like, oh, my biggest flaw? I'm just too organized. Oh, my biggest flaw? Sometimes I can just be a little too hard on myself. But I would love to just go in guns blazing. Oh, my biggest flaw, Frank? My biggest flaw is that shit on the floor. My biggest flaw is that shit on the floor in my place of work. Also, I procrastinate sometimes. Thanks so much for asking, Frank.